Hi there! Did you know that by default, Mac doesn't support Android wireless file transfer? Of course you know, that's why you're watching this video. I am Myky from Electronic Team and I'm here to introduce you to MacDroid, the solution to this issue. But before we dive in, I'd like to mention that there is a special gift waiting for you at the end of this video.
Let's start with the fact that I'm tired of constantly connecting my second smartphone Pixel via a cable just to transfer photos and videos I've taken. Previously, I used Google's official utility for this purpose, but since May 2024, it has disappeared from the official Google website. Anyway, they stopped updating it many years ago.
Another thing is MacDroid. Recently, it was updated to version 2.0, which allows you to connect Android phone to Mac wirelessly. It's incredibly cool, and now I will show you how to do it.
To download this program, you can visit the App Store or go to the official app website. The links will be provided below this video. Once you've installed MacDroid on your Mac, you'll immediately see three modes: Wi-Fi, ADB, and MTP.
In this video, I will explain how I connect by Wi-Fi, and I will cover other modes next time. So subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, so you don't miss the new video.
To begin with, let's click the Connect via Wi-Fi button, and you will be immediately shown instructions on how to do it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do now. First, you need to enable the developer options in the settings of your Android smartphone. It can be done easily. For this, go to Settings, and depending on your device, the developer options can be in different places. Look for the build version and tap on it 7 times. On my phone, it is located in the About Phone section. Next, you need to access the developer options and find the USB debugging option there. Once you've done that, return to your Mac and select the version of the device you are connecting. In my case, it's version 11 or higher. If you are not sure about the Android version you have, you can check it in the About Phone section. Then, you'll need to enable wireless debugging in the developer options. Go to this menu item and find the pair device with QR code option. Point your phone's camera at the screen of your MacBook where the QR code is displayed, and that's it. The device should automatically connect. However, sometimes your phone may not be nearby, for example on the charger at the other end of the room, or the phone camera is not working. For such cases, developers have added the pair device with pairing code option. To do this, you need to tap the pair device with pairing code option on your phone while on your Mac, select and click the corresponding option in MacDroid. Then enter the code on your device to connect it to your Mac. Sometimes, neither the QR code nor the pairing code will allow you to connect your device. In such cases, manual connection is provided. If you choose this option in MacDroid, you will be asked to enter the IP address, port, and verification code for the connection. I've told you 3 ways how to connect Android to Mac wirelessly via MacDroid. If you can't do it automatically, there's always an alternative.
I could go on and on about why I love MacDroid so much, but I will highlight the main points here.
Firstly, it mounts the device into the system as a regular folder, and it works like a native folder with Finder's functionality. Secondly, you can add an unlimited number of devices and transfer files between them. I've used this feature to transfer photos from my phone to my VR MetaQuest, so I can view them directly from the device. Thirdly, there's the search function. If you've connected your phone via Wi-Fi, you can search for files directly on the device, even when it's in your pocket. It's very convenient for photos and videos, and even if you have text documents, you can make edits directly on your phone.
Now you know how to connect your Android device to your Mac to enable the Android Wi-Fi file transfer. And now, as promised, developers are offered a special discount coupon for everyone who downloads MacDroid through the link provided in this video, so don't hesitate, the offer is limited. Like and subscribe to the channel and see you next time!